convert the following into simplest form. The first question is tan of theta minus 14 pi. Second one, cot of 21 pi by 2 minus theta. Third one, 5 pi plus theta. Fourth one, sec 4 pi minus theta. We are using the quadrants. First, we know the uh, expression of the angles is 90 degrees minus theta, 180 degrees minus theta, 270 degrees minus theta, 360. Plus or minus will get. But here, theta minus 14 pi is there. So first we can write angle that is minus of 14 pi minus theta. First we should express first known angle minus unknown angle. Theta is the unknown angle, pi 14 pi is the known angle. So next 14 pi means first tan of, it is in the even function. Even means here first you can take 14 pi means 7 into 2 pi minus theta. So we can write it is tan of minus 7 into 2 pi minus theta. This is the simplification of 14 pi minus theta. Just again you go backward. Minus 14 pi minus into minus plus theta. So you will get this one.
minus 14 pi ఎట్లా వచ్చింది చెప్పరా?
Minus 14 pi means in the theta minus, here theta minus 14 pi is there. You can take negative common from these two. Negative means minus theta plus 14 pi. Then it can be right in the order of 14 pi minus theta. So just that's why I am telling you here minus into plus 14 pi is minus 14 pi. Minus into minus plus theta. Here plus theta. Again this 14 pi can be written as 7 into 2 pi. Why we should write this 7 into 2 pi means we know that 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi. After one completion of rotation, again it will come in the first quadrant. Okay. Here 7 into 2 pi means 7 rotations are there here. That is nothing but 6 into 2 pi. Again 1 2 pi minus theta. 6 rotations are completed means then that is again in the first quadrant. In the 7th rotation, first quadrant, after 6 completed, then it will come and goes in the 4th quadrant. We know that in the 4th quadrant, tan is negative. So tan of minus 14 pi minus theta. Yesterday we discussed tan n pi minus theta is minus tan theta. Whatever the value, n pi, n is whatever the value. Either it is even or odd, whatever the value. We know that tan of n pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Further, we can write tan of theta minus 14 pi. First, we can take the minus common from the angles. That is minus of 14 pi minus theta. And by using of tan of n pi minus theta equal to minus tan theta, this is equal to minus tan of 14 pi minus theta. That is nothing but 14 pi means it goes to the 4th quadrant. Why? Because 7 into 2 pi minus theta. To 6 rotations are completed. Complete rotations are completed. In the 7th rotation, that will goes in the 4th quadrant. In the 4th quadrant, tan is negative. So that is minus of, it is even. 14 means even. Even means again tan, for tan will come. This is minus tan theta. Minus into minus plus tan theta. Therefore, tan of theta minus 14 pi equal to tan theta. Second question. Cot of 21 pi by 2 minus theta. Here 21 pi by 2 can be taking as 20 plus 1 into pi by 2 and write separately 20 pi by 2 plus pi by 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are. It is equal to 10 pi plus pi by 2. So here cot of 10 pi plus pi by 2 minus theta. Here let it be taking 10 pi plus pi by 2. Here 10 pi means it is the even only. Even means again we will get cot 10 pi means 5 rotations are completed. 10 pi can be taking as 5 into 2 pi. 2 pi means the angle is 360 degrees. 360 degrees is nothing but 2 pi. So 5 rotations are completed and it will come pi by 2 minus theta. So when it is even, then we can take cot only. Okay. And it will come in the first quadrant, that is cot of pi by 2 minus theta. Okay. Here we can take cot 10 pi plus this becomes theta. Then cot of pi by 2 minus theta. And pi by 2 is nothing but pi is 180 degrees. Pi by 2 is 90 degrees. It is cot 90 degrees minus theta. It is nothing but cot pi by 2 minus theta means it goes to first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all ratios, trigonometric ratios are positive. So this is equal to positive only. But here 90 is there. Cot becomes tan theta. It is in the first quadrant means plus tan theta is the answer. Cosec of 5 pi plus theta. It is equal to cosec 5 pi plus theta means we can write it as cosec 4 pi plus pi plus theta. That is nothing but 4 pi means 2 into 2 pi. It is nothing but 2 rotations are completed. One complete rotation 360, another second rotation is also completed. Then it will 4 pi plus it is nothing but theta. In the completion of the 2 rotations means it goes to in the first quadrant. So the n pi means we will get the same ratio. For cosec, cosec will get cosec. What is the theta? Pi plus theta. That is the first we can take the rotations. After taking the rotation, then 2 rotations are complete means it goes to first quadrant of this theta. Don't bother about pi plus theta, this theta. Now cosec of pi plus theta means now you can concentrate. Pi means 180 degrees. So in the third rotation, 180 is here 180 plus theta means it will come in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cosec is positive or negative. It is clearly negative. And for pi, cosec is come. For 180, for cosec, cosec only. Sec only. So it is cosec theta. Pi is nothing but 180. For 180, 360, no change of the ratios. So cosec of pi plus theta means for pi, cosec function will come. If pi plus theta means the angle goes to third quadrant. It is in the third quadrant means in the third quadrant tan and cot are positive. The remaining all are negative. So we can take the negative sign. Fourth one. Sec of 4 pi minus theta. So 4 pi minus theta means that is sec of 2 pi plus 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi means one complete rotation completed. One rotation is completed. For 2 pi means the same function will come. For sec will come and it goes to in the first quadrant means 2 pi minus theta. If it is 2 pi minus theta means that is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sec is positive or negative. Just we can check out. Here n pi, we get the same function. For sec will come. If 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, sec will come. Okay. So, in the 2 pi minus theta means it is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos is positive, sec is positive. So, sec of 2 pi minus theta is sec theta plus sec theta. This is the solution. Find the value of each of the following first one, sine of minus 405 degrees. Second one, cos of minus 7 pi by 2. Third one, sec of 2100 degrees. Fourth one, cot of minus 315 degrees. Here also we use the negative angles. We know that sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. Cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. Sec of minus theta is sec theta. Why? Because cos is even function. For cos is related with the sec. Sec is in reciprocal of cos. So, only cos and sec are positive. The remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative for negative angles. If we have an idea of the negative angles, then we can easy to solve this. Sine of minus 405 degrees. It is in the form of sine of minus theta, that is equal to minus sine theta. Sine of 405 degrees. Next, 405 degrees is divide with 360. 360 ones are 360. This is equal to 45. So we can write minus sine of 360 degrees plus 45 degrees. Then adding of these two, we are getting 405 degrees. 360 means one complete rotation is over. It will comes in the first quadrant. And here 360 means for sine function, we get sine only. And before minus is there. Sine 360 plus theta, sine theta, 45 degrees. It is equal to minus 45 degrees. Value is sine 1 by root 2. Therefore, sine of minus 405 degrees is equal to minus 1 by root 2. It is the answer. Second one, cos of minus 7 pi by 2. It is equal to We know that cos of minus theta is cos theta only. That is cos 7 pi by 2. It is equal to cos of 7 pi can be written as 6 pi plus pi by 2. It is equal to cos of 6 pi by 2 plus pi by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. For cos n pi plus theta is cos theta only. Okay. But here 3 pi means it is, we can write as actually cos of 2 pi plus pi by 2. This is the form. 2 pi plus theta means it will come in the cos of first quadrant, that is cos of pi plus pi by 2. Pi plus pi by 2 means that will come in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, what is that? Negative. That is minus cos pi by 2. What is the cos pi by 2 value? It is
90,
0.
0.
Cos 0 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Therefore, cos of minus 7 pi by 2 is equal to 0. It is for clear idea. Generally, we can take cos n pi plus theta is equal to, if n is odd means that will come in the third quadrant. Third quadrant means cos theta, minus cos theta. If theta is pi by 2 means it is degree. But for your clarification, I can write in detail. Okay. Third one, secant 2100 degrees. This 2100 is divides with 360 degrees. 360, 3 6 are 18. 6 are 18. Just check with 6, 600, 6 6 are 36, 3, 18, 201. It's 5 only. 0, 5 6 are 30, 3 is carry, 5 3 are 15, it is 80. So 300. So it can be taking as secant 5 into 360 plus 300. 5 rotations are completed. So it is secant 300. Then it is equal to 300 can be written as sec 360 minus 60 degrees. It is 300, no? 300 degrees. So this is equal to, in the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. So here it is in fourth quadrant means for sec 360 means sec will come. The fourth quadrant it is positive 60 degrees. Secant 60 degrees. What is the value of secant 60 degrees?
2.
2 is, yes, 2 is the value. Fourth one, cot of minus 315 degrees. Cot minus theta is minus cot theta. Cot 315 degrees. 315 degrees subtract from 360 degrees. It is equal to 45 degrees. So 315 degrees can be written as cot of 360 degrees minus 45 degrees is equal to 315 degrees. So this 315 degrees can be written as 360 degrees minus 45 degrees. Okay. Next, if it is 360 degrees per cot will come. Cot 45 degrees. And again, here 360 minus 45 means it is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cot is positive or negative. It is negative. So here already minus is there. For this angle, negative will come. Negative into negative, positive. This is cot 45 degrees. It is equal to 1. Next question, third one. Evaluate first one, cos square 45 degrees plus cos square 135 degrees plus cos square 225 degrees plus cos square 315 degrees. Second one is sin square 2 pi by 3 plus cos square 5 pi by 6 minus tan square 3 pi by 4. Third one, cos of 225 degrees minus sine of 225 degrees plus tan of 495 degrees minus cot of 495 degrees. Fourth one, cos theta minus sin theta. If first one, theta equal to 7 pi by 4. Second one, theta equal to 11 pi by 4. I'm taking the first question, that is cos square 45 degrees plus cos square 135 degrees plus cos square 225 degrees plus cos square 315 degrees. Just we can take the degrees here. 135 degrees means we can write 90 degrees plus 45 degrees. 225 degrees means 180 degrees plus 45 degrees. 315 degrees means it is equal to 270 degrees plus 45 degrees. Okay, or 360 degrees minus 45. We can take any way. Here it is equal to cos 45 degrees whole square plus cos of 90 plus 45 degrees whole square plus cos of 180 degrees plus 45 degrees whole square plus cos of 270 degrees plus 45 degrees whole square. Here you have an idea. For cos 90 degrees, cos 270 degrees, cos will change into sine. So cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 whole square plus cos means it is sine. Cos in the second quadrant is minus sine 45 degrees whole square plus for cos 180 cos will get cos 45 degrees. But in the third quadrant, cos 180 plus 45 means it will come in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cos is negative, minus cos 45 degrees whole square, plus 270 plus 45 means it is in the fourth quadrant. But 270 means it changed into sine 45 degrees. In the fourth quadrant, cos is positive, so it whole square. It is equal to 1 by 2 plus minus into minus plus 45. We know that sine 45 degrees is equal to cos 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2. Its whole square means its whole square, that is equal to 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Plus minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus, here no minus, plus 1 by 2. Taking the LCM is 2. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is 4 ones means that is 4. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. It is equal to 2. 2 is the answer for first question. The second question is sine square 2 pi by 3 plus cos square 5 pi by 6 minus tan square 3 pi by 4. It can take as, you can take 2 pi by 3 means pi minus pi by 3. Taking the LCM, 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 3. 5 pi by 6, pi minus pi by 6. Taking the LCM, 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi by 6. 3 pi by 4, it is equal to pi minus pi by 4. 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4. If you get an idea of this expression, then you can easy to get the answer. It is equal to sine of 2 pi by 3 can be written as sine of pi minus pi by 3 whole square plus cos of 5 pi by 6 can be written as pi minus pi by 6 whole square plus tan, not plus, it is minus. Tan of 3 pi by 4 means pi minus pi by 4 whole square. It is equal to, all are 180. Pi means 180. 180 minus theta. That is, in the second quadrant, sine is positive. So, sine of pi by 3 whole square. Pi minus pi by 6. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. So, it is minus cos pi by 6 whole square minus tan in the second quadrant, negative. Tan of pi by 4 whole square. Here, just you can check it. In the second, all trigonometric ratios are in the second quadrant. In this, only sine and cosec are positive, the remaining negative. So here negative, negative will come. Here pi means 180 degrees. For 180 degrees, the same trigonometric ratios will come. And again, we can check out pi by 3 means it is 180 degrees by 3 equal to 60 degrees. Pi by 6 means 180 degrees by 6, that is equal to 30 degrees. Pi by 4 means 180 degrees by 4. 4 fours are 16. 2 is the remainder. 4 fives are 20. Do you have an idea about the angles? What are the angles means? Immediately pi means 180 degrees. Pi by 2 means 90 degrees. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees. Pi by 4 means 45 degrees. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. So from this, you get the value. Sine pi by 3 means sine 60. What is the value of sine 60? Sine 60 degrees equal to root 3 by 2. So sine, it is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square. Minus into minus plus only. Cos pi by 6 means cos 30. cos 30 degrees is equal to sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 only. So it is also root 3 by 2 whole square. Minus, we know that tan pi by 4 means 45 degrees. It is equal to 1. This is 1. Is equal to root 3 whole square means 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. It is equal to 6 by 4 minus 1 equal to 6 minus 4 by 4. It is equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. This is the second solution. The third question is cos 225 degrees minus sin 225 degrees plus tan 495 degrees minus cot 495 degrees. Just you can take 225 means 180 degrees plus 45. So here you can write 180 degrees plus 45 degrees. You get cos 45 degrees. In the third quadrant, cos is negative. So you are getting minus cos 45 degrees. Here 225 means same. Minus sine 180 plus 45 degrees. In the third quadrant, sine is negative. Negative into negative, positive. Plus sine 45 degrees. Tan 495. That is nothing but 360. 495 minus 360. It is 5, 3, 1, 135. It can be written as 180 minus 45 degrees or 90 minus 90 plus 45. That is nothing but 360 plus 90. 360 means one rotation completed. Then it is 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45 means that goes to second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan is negative and here 90 means it will come in the cot, change into ratio. Tan change to ratio. Cot. Why? Because 90 is there. 360 means completes the rotation. Then we can take 90 plus 45. For this 90 plus 45, tan changes to cot 45. In the second quadrant, tan is negative, so minus cot 45. The same thing for cot also. 361 rotation completed, 90 plus 45 is there. Cot is changes to tan 45. In the second quadrant, cot is also negative. So, negative into negative, positive. Now you can take the values. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 with negative. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 with positive. Cot 45 is 1, negative. Tan 45 is 1. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 get cancelled. It is 0. It is a 2 marks question only. But you have an idea how to express. The fourth one, in the place of theta, you write 7 pi by 4. Okay, 7 pi by 4 means you can write 2 pi minus pi by 4. Here, pi plus 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi minus pi by 4. Pi plus pi, 2 pi minus pi by 4. Taking the LCM, 4 to the 8 pi minus pi, 7 pi by 4. It is cos of 2 pi minus pi by 4 means that is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So, cos pi by 4 we are getting. Minus, again it is sine of 2 pi minus pi by 4. In the fourth quadrant, sine has negative. Negative into negative, positive. Sine 45 degrees. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. This is 2 by root 2. Root 2 is the answer for this. Again here 11 pi by 4. 11 pi by 4 means 4 3s are 12. So you can write 2 pi plus 3 pi by 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 2 pi plus 3 pi by 2 means cos 3 pi by 4. Again 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi minus pi by 4. Okay, cos 3 pi by 4 means cos pi minus pi by 4. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. So minus cos pi by 4 will come. For this, minus cos pi by 4 will come. Again for sine also, pi minus pi by 4, but in the second quadrant, sine is positive. This is minus sine pi by 4. It is equal to minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root. This is minus root 2 is the answer. Like this. Okay.
Mm.
This is the solution. Just you can write for the expansion of pi or 2 pi or pi by like that. Just you can try it again.